This year, Israeli bulldozers leveled the last national seed bank in occupied Palestine, a facility not for weapons, not a military base, but the living memory of generations of Palestinian farmers. This was definitely not an accident, it was Ecocide. Inside, over 70 heirloom seed varieties, also known as baladi seeds, cultivated and preserved for generations, were buried under the concrete in minutes. These seeds are not mere crops, they are living libraries of knowledge and resilience, carrying traits like drought resistance, soil adaptability, and nutrition. The Union of Agricultural Work Committee denounced the Israeli attack as an act of erasure intended to sever the generational ties between farmers and their land. Experts and activists call it ecocide, which can be defined as the deliberate destruction of ecosystems designed to erase a people's ability to survive. Looking at the bigger picture, it is part of a broader genocidal pattern because when destruction targets a population's ability to feed itself, it aligns with Article 2 of the Genocide Convention, which reads, deliberately inflicting on the group conditions of life calculated to bring about its physical destruction in whole or in part. In August 2025 alone, Israeli occupation forces uprooted 3,000 olive trees in Al-Mghayr near Ramallah. Since October 2023, over 52,300 olive trees have been uprooted across the occupied West Bank. Over 6 decades, more than 3 million trees were uprooted. Every tree, every seed is a deliberate Israeli attack on Palestinian livelihood and culture. Once heirloom seeds vanish, the accumulated knowledge they carry, which seed to plant where, how to adapt to each microclimate, disappears forever. Seed banks and agricultural infrastructures have become targets in war, forming a strategic tool of slow violence of Israeli domination that forces populations into dependency on external food systems controlled by occupying or imperial powers. By destroying seeds and trees, ecocide ensures that Palestinians cannot sustain themselves. Every crushed seed and uprooted tree is an attack on Palestine itself, its people, its culture, its heritage, and its identity.